Welcome back, design lovers. In this new episode of Creative Talk Design, I will show you a master bathroom project, perfect for an apartment in the center of the city. This 3D render, designed by me, Nunzia Gentile, interior designer of Dwelli, has been designed with the aim of creating a minimal and modern bathroom using mainly black and white. The project reflects a bathroom in the bedroom, perfect for an apartment located in the city center, for an elegant and luxury room. The living space, 2.5 by 3.5 meters, allows you to have on the left side a large shower space with working glass and shower tray Fiora in white resin that contrasts with the coding Mutina Dèchirer black decor. In any case, this is not only present inside the shower, but covers a part of wash basin wall. As for the shower faucet, I opted for Boffi Garden collection in matte black finish. The mixer is thermostatic two-way to allow comfort and relax. In front of the entrance there is a Falper Via Veneto cabinet in a matte white finish, on which there is an Antonio Lupi Sensoci color mood wash basin in a smoked finish. The wall behind the wash basin is half covered by Mutina Dèchirer decor black and the other half by a laminate oak wood, on which is installed a neutral mirror Antonio Lupi 80 by 95 cm. The floor Casal Grande architecture black with tiles 80 by 80 cm allows you to highlight both the elements in white finish, but at the same time enhance the radiator tubes step by step brown copper rank LED inside the room. On the right, on the other hand, have been placed the Art Ceram File 2.0 wall-mounted sanitary ware in glossy white ceramic. Specifically, the bidet tap is always Boffi Garden black matte, as well as the Boffi plate that coordinates with the elements in matte black finish of the bathroom. Thanks for your attention, and write in the comments what is your favorite combination of color and finishes. Bye bye and see you next episode.